Now, the Indian Army has dismissed media reports claiming that the Chinese People's Liberation Army or the PLA recently encroached into Arunachal Pradesh and set up camps. The army said that such reports are incorrect and without any basis. Pragati is joining us on this. Pragati, of course, the army has rejected those claims of PLA encroaching in Arunachal Pradesh. But what is the ground situation really like?
Yes, the Indian Army has the Indian Army has given a statement stating that there's no encroachment from China's end, and the reports are all false. And also, China has indicated that it wants to maintain the current momentum with in its engagement with India. And speaking after the Chinese foreign minister. Wang Yi, meetings with the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval on the sidelines of the BRICS, National Security Advisors meeting. The Chinese Foreign Ministry, also said the situation alongside the Indo-China border is generally stable, and according to them, both sides are maintaining communication on border-related issues and are implementing the understanding reached during the 24th round of the special representative talks on the boundary questions. China, also said that the preparations are now underway for the 25th round of the special representative dialogue. Although no data has been, no date has been so far announced. The Chinese foreign minister, further stressed that India and China should continue dialogue, strengthen communication, and work toward improving bilateral relations. Kriti, for now, both sides appear to be, keeping diplomatic channels open with preparation for the next round of talks, indicating that the engagement between New Delhi and Beijing is set to continue, and there's no, talks of encroachment as for now.
Right, Pragati, stay on with me for some more news as we move on.